A loading ramp is built for safety of the animal and also for the driver to keep them separate and the safest way to load. Having gates that swing properly, you look at the rails on the side, whether they are sturdy enough to hold the cattle, whether you can stand on them to get the cattle moving. Many times you'll go to a place and there might be a board missing of the floor and it's enough to get a cow's leg stuck in there. Catwalk with a handrail makes it safer because you've got something to lean against or something to hang on. Back in the old days there was never any and many people slipped on side of ramps. A flat platform and safety gates at the end of a loading ramp. You can use them gates as a safety gate to stop stock coming in or coming back out of the crate or entering the crate while you're actually penning up cattle in the crate.
So we're in the process of upgrading the truck loading ramp. We're putting a walkway down the side of it, gates at the front and a walkway around the force pen, so there's no need for the truck driver to be behind the cattle or in with the cattle at any time.